Hi, this is Chad Sigmund with the Grand Chute Fire Department. Just here wanted to give you guys a video demonstration for the virtual fire safety week that we're having for the Jesse Pickett Safety Day. So we wanted to talk about our drone program. It's a joint program between the Grand Chute Fire Department and the Grand Chute Police Department. So here we're going to do a little demonstration and then we'll do some videos, clips later. So this is our DJI Inspire, and it has two different cameras on it. This is a daylight camera it has on it right now. You can see we have daylight mode on it, okay? And then we have a night vision camera too that has thermal imaging. So here we're going to take it off and we'll give you a little sneak peek at how it works. So here you can see on the screen, we'll just do a little 360 of our fire station around right above our pond there. You can see everything that the drone sees. Really helpful. Alright, we're going to land it and then we're going to show you some of our training videos that we did this summer. Here, we'll bring it in here.
We found that the drone is an invaluable tool. It gives us situational awareness to first responders on the ground in order to better be able to solve the problem at hand. Here we were doing some training with our police department and their K9 unit. We were trying to determine how we could use both the K9 unit and a drone together to better give the K9 unit and officers on the ground an aerial view and give them some intel on if there was a dangerous person out in a wooded area. So here we're just using the drone to help locate another police officer that was part of our training.
Hi there again. We need some help. We need to locate our firehouse dog. So we're going to use our drone today to help locate him. He ran away out the back of our firehouse. So we're going to go look for him right now. So everybody ready? See if we can see him. Oh, I think I see him. Hey, there he is. Hey, Sparky. Why don't you come back to the fire station, huh? Alright, well, thanks for joining us for this video of our drone program.